I'm so mad at myself right now. I just did like one of what I felt like one of my best descriptive videos because I am terrible at describing things. I also thought it was pretty funny at some points too. I didn't turn my mic on. I'm so mad at myself. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I am just so mad. Excuse me. Everything on my desk is a mess here. I'm going to try my best to go through everything and talk about it very quickly. I'll use some of my videos from the bad sound one. I'm sorry. I'm just furious with myself. Okay. What I was saying, these were add-ons. $10. Oh my goodness, I am so mad. So mad. Ugh. I don't even know where to start. I guess I'll go backwards because everything is a mess. Okay, so going backwards, I was telling what future videos, Cosbox, Color Pop and Tart haul, and hopefully some try-on videos using these products. Okay, I'm about to throw up. I'm so mad. And hot. These things are from Boxycharm add-ons. I did not pay for them because I had a random $10 coupon. I paid for, this was $6, this was $4. I don't know why this came. And I was saying I have to check to see if this is a color I already have. This is Beauty by Pop Sugar. I guess I just need to say it and then I can just show up the clip I have. Okay. Then I have the Spanglish palette from Alamar. Pretty. Yeah. Mad. Okay. Let's go backwards here. I was saying on my Boxycharm Premium that box was $204. I got the Ofra Cosmetics Good to Go Mini Mix Palette. I would like to know what the shades are in here because that looks like Rodeo Drive. This is very interesting. Didn't swatch well, but nothing has swatched well on my hands at all. Okay, keep on going backwards. Summer Fridays. Jet Lag Mask. Makes your face look refreshed after you've been on the plane. What else came in this one? Fenty powder. Got it in lavender. I was late to choice. Didn't have the light one. I don't really know about a powder until I tried on. This. Makeup eraser with a different name. PMD. It's PMD. What else? Tarte. Spritzy Spritz. Continuous. No smell. Laura Mercier. So pink. I asked the question that whenever I try this on, you have to be honest with me. Does pink make my teeth look yellow? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Boxycharm Premium. Hope you enjoyed that. Boxycharm. Don't have... Get out of here. Get. Okay. Boxycharm. What came? Oh yeah. This. Two of pretty much the same thing from a different company. Seraphine Botanicals Apple Balm Glow Lip Mask and Bali Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. Get it together. Ciate London Pellet. Didn't swatch great. Don't care. Gonna wait. I didn't want to push too hard because it was so pretty. Look at that. Pretty, pretty glitz glitz. Jari G's pants fell out. Be careful. Oh, this almost matched my hand completely. Totally. So we'll see what it looks like on the face. It has sunscreen. Pharmacy. Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner with Moringa and Papaya. Also has salicylic acid. Excited to use this. Fancy glass jar. Makes tink 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 noise when you hit it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was it because I got 2 lip products. Okay. Glam Bag Plus. Hydrating Milky Serum. I said something about it has aloe vera in it, so it might feel good after you have a sunburn. I don't know. Don't quote me. But it's called a soothing serum, so you can soothe your face. Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer. I've tried the Balancing Blue Lotus face wash, the Blue Lotus serum. I've had 2 of the serums. I'd like to find another one. And I've used the sample of the clay mask that comes in this line as well. $45, that's the only thing I looked up. I thought it'd be more expensive than that. Good brand. Okay, this, I don't even know what happened to the tools that they are. Don't use these, very high quality. They go tink, tink, tink. I pluck my eyebrows once every 6 months about, and I'll use this to get little mascara boo-boos off my face. Complex Culture. Got two Complex Cultures things. This is plant-powered moisturizing lip gloss. Said something about how I have some sort of other lip product from it like it, but can't find it. Okay, Complex Culture makes the good stuff. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last thing I got in here was this highlighter palette. That was this on the back of my hand. It was pretty, look at it, bling, bling, blingy. Can't wait to try it. I think I picked this. Okay, and in the Glam Bag Plus, I got this Clara's New York Oil Serum Vitamin E RH Rose Hip. Kind of smelled like roses, but very lightly. Alexandria Ryan would not dislike it, I don't think. Glow On Fifth Beauty Hydrate and Renew Replenishing Night Cream. Elizabeth Mott Ultra Moisturizing Shea Hand Cream Full Bloom. Now I'll use this because my hands hurt and I've already done my swatches. Let's see what she smells like. Smells like, oh my goodness, flowers. Oh, can't get the lid back on. It wasn't very creamy. This, $18.50 complex brush, $18.50. Complex brush, $18.15 foundation brush from SL Miss Glam. I think I could use this for masks. And the last thing in here, right? 1, 2, 3, yeah, is Stila liquid lipstick in patina, and I need to look to see if I already have this open. Full sizes of those things. $24.99, $28, $22, $19.50, excuse me, and $24. So this video has now become an utter disaster, and I guess that's what I get for not filming in over a month. So yeah, okay, now I need to make like a little intro. Hi, this is the second time I've made this video. Because the first time I forgot to turn my mic on, and I had some good quality stuff. Good quality. Oh my goodness. Anyways, enjoy this video. I'm probably going to sound pretty hostile the rest of the video because I'm mad. Very mad at myself. It's nobody's fault except for myself. Oh, I didn't say at the beginning of this if my thumbnail is horrible. Sorry, it just would not take a very good picture. New background, remodeling. Something will eventually be here. What else did I say? I sneezed a lot in the original. Maybe I'll just include those silent sneezes. I'd been dusting some books to put on a bookshelf, and that's why I sneeze. Anyways, enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want chaos in your life. I'm not usually like this. I'm really not. I'm sorry. Okay, thanks again for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll try to be perkier for the next one. Okay? Bye.